So this is what came with the bunk bed kit, and of course the instructions. But what I'm going to do is, so I'm not going to tear it and it goes everywhere, I have bags, and they have the number on it because on here, on the instructions, they say like use a number 3 bolt or 4 bolts. So I'm going to put all the 4s in one bag, all the 3s in one bag, etc. And that's going to make it a lot easier as you're setting up. Also, it didn't come with scissors, but scissors have been helping so far just with cutting, opening the packages, and yeah. This is the box that it came in, and as you can see, it's really big, and as you can see, I'm already starting to set it up in there. So let's get started. So there's no guesswork with this. They label everything, so make sure to look at your instruction books and find the letters and match them up correctly, along with the holes and the sides. Because I made a mistake, so I'm just recording just so that you don't make the same mistake. There's little holes right here, and they need to be on the back bar. So I have to flip the bar around to make sure the holes are over here. And the reason is because that's where some support bars are going to go for the mattress. So they do matter. You have to make sure that these holes are on this side. So I don't think it would bend, but I don't want the screws to have any stress at the moment being slanted. So what I did is I just have my little kid's bench and a towel right here just in case I need more height. And I'm just going to hold it right here, and that'll give me a support instead of having someone else. This will be my support, so it'll stay straight as I attach it to the side of the bunk bed. And I'll do that to the same with the other side. I have 2 benches, so I'll probably just have them holding these as I screw in the other side. So we're going to put up our little bars now, and there are wide parts inside that are going to help seal it in these holes right here so that it's more secure. So let's get these parts out. Okay, those are Q parts. These are W parts. And oh, our tiny little Y's. Okay. Okay guys, so we're almost done. I got my little helper right here. We're just gonna, I've got a little system going on that makes it go faster. So I just snap it in real fast. And then I take my little things, put them in. No. She just got up from her nap. Yeah. Say hello. Okay. Say hi. Are you waving? Hello. Okay. And then I snap this in. Connect them for the support. And we'll do that the whole way back. And so we're almost done, guys. Now I'm just tightening the ladder, and they also gave me this tool. They gave me all the tools I needed to set this bunk bed up, so you don't need to go buy anything special, which is really nice. That gives a star in itself.